Hello everybody, welcome to this edition of the Honey-Do List channel. Today we're doing the Mavic 2 Pro drone. I got it off of Wish. It was, show you, it was $30 off of Wish. Couple of things I want to talk about with it. It's supposed to be, these are some of the things that it says it includes, the drone, the controller, the blades, everything. The batteries. It said it was supposed to come with 3 batteries. I got 2 batteries. One thing it didn't say it came with was this. Some stickers to make it your own, which are, easy. Did come with a user manual, and it did come with some instructions on how to download the app. This was shipped in a styrofoam box with a bag wrapped around it, basically. And you see the damage that it took from being shipped over. I ended up having to pry this corner up. Well, you can see how bad it got bent. Luckily, it didn't do any damage to the drone. One of the things that else I want to mention is you have to download this app called THFPV. Right there. So when you open that up, alright, when you open that up, it will have a screen. It will tell you that you have to go to Wi-Fi, to your Wi-Fi on your phone, and connect to FPV 6133V is, or D is mine. See where I had to connect right here? Once you connect to that, you turn on your controller, put 3 AA batteries that are not included, charge this battery. You connect the 2 by turning them on, and then the camera will come on. It'll look something like that. Once you're connected, what you're seeing is the towel that it's setting on, and so that's pretty cool. So what you do then is you will connect it to, your controller. It's a little spring-loaded thing. It does work. You can do a lot of things. The only thing that I haven't been able to do is figure out some of these buttons up at the top say 1, 2, 3. And then you have a 360 where it's supposed to just spin around in 360 mode and do these little, tricks or whatever. I haven't been able to keep it in the air long enough. I mean, I was inside of a metal building shop, probably 40 by 80, so I had time to, no wind, was trying to get it to fly around. It flew, it flown around real good. There's no dips or nothing like that. Once you get the power set, I had it where it would actually just hover, having to use a trim just to get it right. I didn't take it way up high in the air or anything like that because, I was inside of a building. I took it about 16 feet off the ground, just hovered, tried to get it to do some barrel rolls and flips, and obviously I need a lot more practice with it. Do I recommend it? For $30, I think it's a good, reasonable price. I think that if you can find it a little bit cheaper, I have seen them where you'll catch somebody and they have them for 20 bucks or something like that. I would get it for that price. I bought this for chase video of us working, like when we did the flagpole, stuff like that. I could actually had it circling around us, keeping a video on us, and doing extra videos, and it would have worked out really well for us. I think this will work out really well for a $20 item, and I think it had about $5 shipping, which is definitely not that bad. So all in all, I think it's a good purchase. Just a toy to keep you busy during this time, this quarantine time that we have. I definitely be doing a lot of playing with it here in the the next couple of days, testing it out, actually putting the blade bumpers back on it. When I packaged it up, to bring it back, I had to take everything apart, and I wanted to show you all the parts, and you'll see in the picture in the beginning all the parts and pieces that came with it. But other than that, for just a quick little drone, that keeps you busy and occupied, I think it's pretty neat. Might be a good idea for your kid. It does seem like it's pretty durable. Until next time, let's work on that honey-do list together, and have a great day.